Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of sum of two random variables. The given example is the joint probability density function of random variables x and y is f of x comma y is equal 1 by 4 into e power x minus y for x is equal to minus alpha to alpha and y is equal to minus alpha to alpha. If another random variable z is defined such that z is equal to x plus y, find fz of z. Coming to the solution, given that the joint density function is f of x comma y is equal 1 by 4 into e power minus xy, e power x minus y, for x is equal to minus alpha to alpha and y is equal to minus alpha to alpha. So now here this exponential term is written as 1 by 2 into e power x into 1 by 2 into e power minus y. So this is considered as f of x and this is considered as f of y. So f of x comma y is equal to f of x into f of y, since y and x and y are the independent random variables. So we know that the sum of two random variables probability density function expression is fz of z is equal fx of x convolution fy of y is equal. So now here x plus y is equal to z, y is equal to z minus x. Substitute y is equal to z minus x. We get fz of z is equal fx of x convolution fy of z minus x. So the convolution between these two density functions is integral x is equal to minus infinity to infinity fx of x into fy of z minus x dx. Now here fx of x is 1 by 2 e power x and fy of y is 1 by 2 e power minus y, and substitute fx of x and fy of y values into here. Fz of z is equal, the range of the x is minus alpha to alpha, fx of x is 1 by 2 e power x, fy of y is 1 by 2 e power minus y. Now here y is equal to z minus x and substitute y is equal to z minus x, fy of z minus x is 1 by 2 into e power minus of z minus x into dx. So that is equal 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. This exponential term is written as e power minus z into e power x into e power x, e power dx. So now here integrating with respect to x, e power minus z is constant, that is written before integration. So fz of z is equal 1 by 4 e power minus z integral minus alpha to alpha e power dx into dx. E power 2x integration is e power 2x by 2 over minus alpha to alpha. So now substitute upper value of x and lower value of x. We get 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8 e power minus z into e power 2 alpha minus e power minus 2 alpha. E power x, and this is an example of sum of two random variables.